Hi everyone, welcome to my studio. Today I want to show you how I paint a picture of passion dance. I call it will be ballerina dancing. I'll show you how I'm using different tools and what kind of brushes and a different type of paint I'm using. And hopefully you like this presentation and maybe you'll learn something or gain something from the presentation. Without further ado, let's see how the painting is created. And here's my palette. Cadmium yellow light, yellow ochre, red iron oxide, this is alizarin crimson, cadmium red light, and titanium white. It's ultramarine blue, and sometimes I'm using silver and blue, and this one burnt sienna, also using spatulas and palette knives, and of course regular brushes. Okay, I forgot to mention ivory black and sap green. Right now what I'm doing is just making the background, and I'll be using different tools in this moment. Brushes and my spatula. Sometimes use a palette knife for this process of first, I would say, layers. I'll be putting right now a little texture using spatulas. Working with acrylic paint allow you to do these things and not waiting for the dry, because the dry very quick compared to oil. So it's a kind of enjoying process and a speed up process of paintings, and no frustration like with oils if you have a texture. I'll be working right now in the foreground. As you see it in this close-up, I'm using a bristle brush. It's two small paintings to do the palette knives, at least for me, and our spatulas. Working on her dress with spatula gave me this chance to create not only texture but also this movement and the shingles created by a spatula give me the dynamic and the action of the dancing and the spinning. And back to the brush to finish last part of the blocking her dress, and then we start working on it to bring the painting to the life. On the beginning, I thought I'll give her some facial expressions where I'm drawing with a pencil to just give myself, marks how I'm gonna paint it. But later on, I just decided, what, maybe that's not a good idea for the whole concept. I'll blur her face, and that will be great with the entire concept of the painting. Okay, the painting almost done, but when I was looking at this, I realized that her leg is just blended to the background, so I decided I think I need to fix that. But meantime, I want to show you the texture was created by spatulas and palette knives, and then give you this little illusion of movement and vibrance and excitement. And I will be back later on fixing her little leg. Okay, painting is done. I hope you liked this presentation and see you next time.